Today on Turbo Talk, we're exploring the world of giant log trucks, giant chainsaws, and the most powerful log haulers. We'll explore the most advanced loggers, chainsaws, splitters, and even giant stump grinders, all built to take on the toughest and most extreme challenges. Get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's go. Oh my God, look at that 1972 Mack with the Spicer 5x4 twin-stick transmission and the Detroit Fire V8 roaring, lifting both wheels with great force under the weight of that giant wooden block behind it, as impressive as a disco dance floor. Garrett and Brennan are working in extremely dangerous conditions at the Beech Creek Fire near Gates, Oregon. Garrett is using a Style 661C chainsaw, and Brennan is working with a Style 066, both powerful tools to fell and split charred timber in the cracked ground. The work involves a variety of hazards, from the risk of charred timber suddenly collapsing to the possibility of landslides due to the cracking. The harsh working environment makes their work extremely dangerous, requiring a high level of concentration and skill to ensure safety. Well, modern wood harvesters are efficiently cutting, chopping, and harvesting trees in a single operation. With advanced technology, they optimize labor, processing multiple trees quickly without interruptions. The operator's skill is crucial, guiding the machine through tough terrain and making precise cuts to ensure top-quality wood. This seamless blend of technology and expertise boosts productivity, marking a major breakthrough in the logging industry.